individuals. There you go. The future of our clashers. The Clash panel is back, wiser, bolder, and more inspiring than ever. Let's give it up for Asia's romantic paladin Christian Bautista, together with Asia's Nightingale, the Lani Misalucha. Together with them is Miss Aida Saras, who unfortunately cannot join us this morning because she's currently in the US. Anyway, the three esteemed judges are once again ready to inspire, critique, and mentor the next generation of OPM stars. And before we officially introduce you our Clashers, may inihanda po kaming presentasyon para po sa inyo isang pasilip sa magaganap this season of the Clash 2025. All eyes here in front, please watch this.
Sa muling pagbukas ng bagong season ng The Clash, libo-libong aspiring Filipino singers mula sa iba't ibang panig ng Pilipinas at ng buong mundo ang sumubok at inilaban ang kanilang pangarap. Tanging ang mga umangat mula sa online auditions ang naibitahan sa final callback. At ang piniling pinakamagagaling lamang ang binigyan ng sorpresa na sila ang may karapatang tumutong sa Clash Arena.
Pasok ka sa The Clash this season! Congratulations, Jan! Thank you po! Oh my God!
Thank you so much po. Thank you so much.
Pasok ka sa The Clash!
Congratulations!
Thank you po! Oh my gosh, Dino! Thank you so much po. Thank you so much po.
My God!
Wow! Alam ko, di mo pasok! Pasok ka sa The Clash! Grabe yung pa-suspense!
Sobrang parang na to.
Lalo na ako kinabahas. Hindi po kami ng pag-asa. Oh my gosh, thank you so much po! Pasok po ako ba?
New Clashers ang magiging pagsapalaran para sa kanilang pangarap. New Clasher Adele Yu, Carlos Flores, Juwani Sabin, Divine Camposano, Maria Pimenta, Jace San Rafael, Spartan Yape, Venus Novelo, Lieber Deloso, Lea Tienza, Jack Echevarria, Mitzi Josh. Ngunit isang sorpresa pa ang nakaabang sa mga bagong sasabak. The biggest twist in the Clash history.
Pwede ka naman lumapit. Hello! It's been a long time. Ma'am, excuse me po. Hello!
This season, get ready for the biggest flashback in the history of the Clash. Ang mga Clashers na muli makikipagsapalaran para sa pangarap
5, but before I continue with introducing them, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of our gym executives who are here with us this morning. Officer in charge of the entertainment group and Vice President for Drama, Ms. Cheryl Chase. So here with us is Vice President for Musical Variety, Specials and Alternative Productions, Ms. Gigi Santiago. Alright, here we are. Ipapakilala po natin ang mga Clashers, new Clashers, and Clash backers of the Clash 2025. Starting off with our 12 new Clashers. Let's give it up for Adele, Carlos Flores, Divine Camposano, John Echevarria, Jay San Rafael, Juwari Sabiv, Lay Atienza, Lia Ferdeloso, Marian Pimenta, Mitzi Josh, Scarlett Yape, and Venus Pelopelio. Palakpan muna, let's give them a warm round of applause for 12 new Clashers. Now it's time to meet once again and welcome back the 12 of their faces who are ready for redemption. Clash Nation, here are your 12 Clash backers. Starting off with Alain Maristela, Arabel de la Cruz, Bea, Jennifer Maravilla, John Madaliday, Liana Castillo, Lyra, Nef Medina, Renz Robosa, Tombi Romulo, Philmark, and Zyrene Siervo.
Atas po tayo, atras. Okay, sige, kayo muna. Okay. Dito po sa gitna, ready, 1, 2, 3. Dito po, nakatingin. Dyan sa 1.
Teka lang, pwede ako bumate. Yan. Okay, dito naman guys, center. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Tingin po, dito.
Compress na konti. Okay. Okay, tingin po dito. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Kuya, video, camera. Okay, ano kuya? Dito po.
Video guys, kaway lang po.